January, I was kind of like this bird. I had no idea what to do with myself, where to work, what the year was going to be like for me. And at that time, I was feeling really left behind for many reasons. More than anything else, I wanted a new perspective, a bigger picture on how my life could serve other people and the world at large. And this is exactly what I found at Health for Everyone. When I joined, I was astonished to find that everyone was working together towards this bigger goal, better healthcare for everyone through technology. I mean, that was something that was much bigger than just thinking about me alone. For the first time, I felt like I mattered for other people. And for me, looking at the future of the world, looking at my future, I look at the past of the human race. We've been through so much as humanity: wars, diseases, bad governments, all sorts of things, natural disasters, and we all have to just be there for one another. And at Health for Everyone, the hope is that one step at a time, we can move the country forward, we can move the world forward, we can provide better health care through technology, just doing it one step at a time. And that's changed how I see everything. But more than anything else, I learned about people, how to learn from people. I learned a lot from everyone there. I also contributed in a small way. I helped build a data processing pipeline for the client of the company, which was fun and very fulfilling work. Looking back, I am very grateful for the experience at Health for Everyone. Health for Everyone basically helped me find my footing in life, and I'm grateful for that.